Hey guys, it's me, Dutch Lockpicking. We got another NF2. And let's see if we can open this after the practice of my first NF2. See if we find the binding pin. I got here something at the back. I'm just checking the rest. Sometimes there's more. Because here I found another one. Probably the serrated ones. Little click on 2. 3 springy. 4 is binding. Little click on 4. Little click on 5. To release some tension and a pin was dropped back. I need to check which one. Clicks on 2 and 1, but it is possible now I overset them. Click on 4, I think. Pin 6 felt set. 5 is set, I think. 4 is, I think, set. Click on 2. Maybe 1. Click on 1. Maybe I overset something, so a little small reset. Good, click on 6. Something on 3. Was 2. Click on 1. Go to reset. Finally got the full set I want. Rotation pin number 1. Got a bigger false set. And then another count rotation on 3. I can feel I can't reach it. I'm going to use a deeper hook, but there's a needle, so it's a little bit harder to get it on the pin. Let's see how this one is going to help. Count rotation. Slippery of the pin. And we got this one open. These are very, very good locks for practicing. And if you get this after some other locks and you try to pick this one too, you're going to feel the quality of the lock again. I'm happy I have picked this on the video. I can do it a little bit faster, but you know, sometimes they don't. Yeah, I had this one in my old house, and yeah, I never picked that one, couldn't, and now I can. So I want to say, everyone, thank you for watching. Thanks to see me fighting with this NF2, and this is going to be the last one for now. And I found some older ones. I want to make some videos too. I can't see it right away, but that's going to be for some other videos. Now I'm going to finding some other locks for the videos, and I wanted to repair this dimple of multi-lock. I will try to make this core is the Bible is damaged. I bricked it for cutting, and one pin is dropped in a hole on the sideway, so I have to bust it a lot on the ground and take it with the key in until it dropped good. And yeah, let's see if we can fix this one. This is a nice video to do. Probably I need to make a double cylinder cut in half, and need to drill a hole, tap a screw, 3-ring, because the screw is on this, and on the normal cylinders they are on the side like this one. So I think I need to cut it and drill a hole and tap threads on. And then it is a usable lock. Now pin number 3 or 4 is because of hitting, it goes like this, so it has damage on the pin core. So if you put the key in, the pin is doing this and nothing happens, it's blocked. So I need to repair this one. That was the next project. And again, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the other time. Bye bye.